Hey guys, so for dinner tonight, we're going to make some quick and easy BISTEC ranchero. I've actually done a video on this before. I put this into my dinner rotations once in a while. So I'll go ahead and link the video down below if you guys are interested to check it out. Alright guys, so this is what we're having for dinner. It is just easy BISTEC ranchero with some Mexican rice. And this is what we're going to have for dinner tonight.
Here's for dinner. This is ground meat and cheese quesadillas. Let me move the beers. Cheap and easy meal.
Alright guys, so for dinner tonight we're going to have stuffed baked potatoes. So these are the big baked potatoes we have. We had them in the oven at 375 degrees, a little over 2 hours. So we have some sides here. We have some leftover ground beef. So we're going to put some ground beef in there. We have some cheese, salt and pepper. So let's go ahead and open this up. Just like that. And then I like to squeeze it open. See? Now I'm going to get a spoon. So we're going to put some butter in here. Butter. That's a lot of butter, but it's okay. It's a big potato.
Jason, get your sister.
Some pepper. I'm going to go ahead and use up the rest of this cheese before I open up a new package. Yes, it's nice and clean. And now we're going to go ahead and add some of this meat in there.
Look, get it on the sides. Get all the potato.
And then I'm going to go ahead and add some broccoli to this. I'm just going to break it up. Alright guys, so here's the baked potato. I'm actually showing you my husband's baked potato. So his has the same. It's butter, cheese, salt and pepper, ground beef, and some broccoli. So this is what we're gonna have for dinner. Everybody kind of made it their own way. So I guess you could say we had a baked potato bar, right? I guess like that, yeah. And this is what we're gonna have for dinner tonight, guys. I don't know, my husband's looks really good.